uno mugusigo ikatoi chamo ili tunyale kurwanira abantu betu. It's just as simple as that. Naende tuanzile safari hiyo na ninde very sure uno mweleo na batogoika ili tuyane 2002 ekero mugusia tenetamo akarwanira mugusi totige ebintebi abantu bansiro tuchaya tokorrekana na tubati direction leons. Nilikuwa nasema Jibasari tuje tuanze kuanzira next week on Monday. On Monday tutaanza kupatiana and we'll give to Form 3s, Form 2s and Form 4s kera wana tuba Form 1s. Tuma korwa 3 years and I think second year 3 years and 4 years na baru tumotwe. So we are going to open up our offices Chionspi Elinde to give about 14 days to make sure that we are connecting those forms in the issue of Jibasari. Mwalimu msiko kwa na Mwale University ikikuwa tinteleleonzi na pale inango kwenye arakora naende na igwete baluwachi etekia ikonge. That was yesterday but one, but I want to assure you unagentonkeyo kaya tenye a university of established as a county to Nyamira. Etinechi ndoto mwaka na garama bwate muske wenge deputy yae na niswa ne wele to nayo kubekwa, and we are going to make sure asengecho ina biango nyete biarusi wo multi very sure symbios, lakini we will make sure that the pledge which was made by His Excellency the President, Yowanse University of 500 million into Chinyora Tutarachi Okoro Mwako this financial year. Elinde before the end of the year to Yowanse University and those ase which kubekwa lakini wono ase school yetu ya Kiabonyo. So